Hi everybody, today I will show you how to make money online. This is very simple, and to be honest with you, this helps in paying my monthly broadband or monthly mobile contract, and it's very easy. Back of your head, you just need to set yourself that today I will only earn £1 a day, no more than that. And if you stick to your plan, surely within 30 days you can earn £30. If you spend more time, then by all means you can make more money. In 1 hour you can make £10, but it's up to you how you want to spend more time on this. So all you need to do is go onto Google. This program only allows you to Google Chrome, so make sure you use Google. Then go onto this website called qmee.com. You register yourself on this website. Once you've registered, you will get a lot of surveys. For example, I've got one here, and once you complete this survey, they will pay you. I'm going to show you how much I've got paid recently. Let's go into my history. This is how much I've earned. It will give you more breakdown. In November, I've earned £118. Then I spent a bit of more time. I earned £68.21, 65.82, 51.24, £65.42. In April, due to lockdown, I didn't get much time to go online, so I didn't spend much time online. But I earned £22.73, £28, £29.87, and in June, just recently started, today is 7th of June, I've earned £11.90. If I continue doing this every day, I could earn up to £500 or £600 a month. So basically, you go onto Qmee. Once you've registered, you will get this service there. As you can see, I've got one service. These are the completed service here. It's not showing on the history at the moment, but if you click on all surveys, it will show how many surveys I've done and how much they paid me for completing surveys. Each survey gives you simple time limit. You can't spend 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, depending how quick you are. You can spend more than 10 minutes, not a problem. You can take as much as you like, but the faster you do, the quicker you can make more money. So this survey is all about pet or pets. So you click on it, and sometimes it just goes through, as in, yes, they've accepted your click, and you are ready to answer your survey. So basically they ask you, how old are you? So you just say whatever your age is. Right, this program, you can make money by referring each person. So when you click on referral, you refer whoever you want to refer. So basically when you refer someone, you get £1, or you can give away £1, or you can share £1. So basically you keep 50p, your friend keeps 50p. It's up to you. And also, if you go onto Google and download, yes, there are certain extensions available in Google. So if you download Qmee extension, then any searches you do through Google and via Qmee, then you will make money on every single click you do via Qmee. Right, okay. And how to get money from here into your bank account? Straightforward, very simple. All you need to do is click on there, and then you need to register your PayPal account. If you don't want PayPal, they give you gift card, but it's best to have a PayPal account. So you just say, I've got 89 pence, I'm gonna get this paid into my account, so I'm gonna cash it out. Click on PayPal, and how much do I want from 89p? You can put 50p. And this is just to give you an example, yeah. So you can pay cash out 50p, sorry, typo, or you can just cash out all my rewards. Whatever you've earned, cash out, and it goes into your PayPal directly. So I've earned that much money. So I have nothing left in my kit now. More money will come when I complete more surveys. Yes, on a daily basis, they ask you certain questions, daily poll. So you click on it and you answer the question. It's just general question, just your views and opinions. You can just select whichever. Yeah, and that's it. Once you do that, then you get happy faces, and more happy faces you get, then for each survey they give you more money. For example, if this survey was for 50p, because you've had so many happy faces, so this survey's price has increased to 84 pence. Okay, thank you, hope to see you soon.